Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to knit 2 stitches together. So what you want to do is first knit the amount of stitches mentioned in the pattern before you have to do the decrease. So I work a couple of stitches here. So let's say that you had to work 3 stitches and now you need to work 2 next stitches together to decrease the stitch count by 1. So if you look at the knit stitch, you can see there's the front loop and the back loop. And if you would knit the next stitch, you would go from left to right to the first stitch, but to work 2 stitches together, you want to do the same thing, but you want to go from left to right through the second stitch that is on your left needle. So let's try to make that move. So we put your right needle to the second stitch on your left needle, put the yarn around, pull it through the 2 stitches and slip the stitches. You want to pull the yarn to make sure that this decrease stitch is the same height as the previous one, and you have 1 decrease done. So let's make a knit stitch here and do the same. So we want to decrease the next 2 stitches, bring the right needle to the second stitch from left to right to the stitch, wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop. And when you have it securely on your right needle, you can help with your fingers, let the stitches go. And this is it. So now I started with 10 stitches on my needle and decreased twice and have 8 stitches left. If you feel that this video was helpful, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell notification, and see you in the next video.